This year again, FaitalPRO will take part to the Prolight+Sound show in Frankfurt. As always, we will present numerous novelties, starting from the subwoofer series 1060, which will comprise 12, 15 and 18-inch subwoofers belonging to the high-performance series, as well as two new 1-inch compression drivers and a revolutionary new series of coaxial loudspeakers. Starting with three new models in 6 and 8-inch size, FaitalPRO is able to present the result of several years of research and development. These new FaitalPRO coaxial drivers are able to guarantee very good dispersion angles, a very high linearity of response, and unbeatable tonality. More in detail on the 6HX150 new 6-inch coaxial loudspeaker. On the low frequency portion, we can note 150 watts nominal power with 300 watts maximum power, a 52mm voice coil, and a capability of frequency range of 90 to 1600 Hz. Regarding the high frequency section instead, we have a 25mm voice coil mounted on a ketone polymer dome diaphragm capable of extending up to 18,000 Hz. The minimum crossover frequency suggested is 1700 Hz. Coming to the 8HX150 model, an 8-inch coaxial loudspeaker, for the low frequency section, it's capable of withstanding 250 watts nominal power, extending to 500 watts maximum power, thanks to a 65mm voice coil with a frequency range performance of 75 Hz to 4 kHz. For what regards the high frequency section, we have a 25mm voice coil, a ketone polymer dome diaphragm capable of extending from 1500 to 18,000 Hz, with a minimum crossover frequency suggested of 1700 Hz. Coming to the top of the line 8HX200, we're talking about an 8-inch coaxial loudspeaker capable of withstanding 250 watts nominal power with 500 watts maximum, mounting a 65mm voice coil and capable of extending from 75 to 4000 Hz. In this specific case is a full neodymium magnet assembly. Regarding the high frequency section, we have a ketone polymer annular diaphragm with a 37mm voice coil allowing for an extension between 1500 and 20,000 Hz, with a minimum crossover frequency suggested of 1700 Hz. In all three new coaxial loudspeakers, the large voice coil diameter in the woofer section allows for a system that can control perfectly the high frequency dispersion. Furthermore, for all three, new compression driver designs have been implemented.